So based on the question, we need to calculate the range of the holes. Based on the question, it has range between 70 to 20. We need to use 70 to minus the 20, so we will get 50. For the rest of the holes, we need to use the same method as well. So for the process number 1, we have 15 kilobytes. Firstly, we need to refer to the range of the holes. First range of the hole is 50. So we can just input the process number 1 because it has enough range for the kilobytes. So process number 1 has 15 kilobytes. So we need to plus the previous. So it equals to 35. After we pass the kilobytes with the previous one, we need to minus the range as well. So 50 minus 15 equals to 35. So let's proceed to the process number 2. Process number 2 has 88 kilobytes. So for the first range, obviously it's not enough. So we will look to the second one. It is also not enough, then we will proceed to the third one. So as you can see, third one is enough for the process number 2 to be input. So we will input the process number 2, which has 88 kilobytes. So we need to pass with the previous, which is 200 and so we need to minus the range as well. After the minus 113, we minus with the 88 equals to 25. Okay, after process number 2, we will look to the process number 3. Process number 3, it has 24 kilobytes. So we need to look for the range as well. So firstly, the range is 35, which has enough space for the kilobyte 24. So we will input the process number 3, which is 24 kilobytes. So we will pass with the previous one. So 35 plus 24 equals to 59. So after we pass with the previous one, we need to use it to minus. We need the range of the hole. We will need to minus as well. So 35 minus 24 equals to 11. So after this, we will proceed to the process number 4. Process number 4, it has 57 kilobytes. So we will look to the range of the holes. So first one, we only left 11. It's not enough, obviously. So we will look to the range number 2. So the number 2 is enough for the process number 4 to be input. So we will just input the process number 4. Process number 4, it has 57 kilobytes. So we will just pass with the previous one. So the total is 157. So we need to minus with the range as well. So we only left 23. So lastly, we will proceed to the last one, process number 5. It has 4 kilobytes. So as you can see, for the first range of the holes, it's available for the process number 5 to be input. So we will just input process number 5. Process number 5, it has 4 kilobytes. So we will pass with the previous one, which is 59. So 59 plus 4 equals to 63. And also we need to minus with the range of the holes. So 11 minus 4 equals to 7. That's all for our process numbers. So after we input all the process, we will left a lot of empty places. So we need to write H, which is holes, inside the empty place. That's all for my first feed.
Good evening. Today I'll be talking about the worst fit which allocates the largest block. First of all, we look at the table. So we will go on the first processor number, which is 15, the size, and we have to put in the biggest range, which is 113. So we will write here P1, and then we have to plus with the front number 200 plus 15 is 215, and then 113 we have to minus with 15, which is 98, and then we can go on with processor number 2, and we have to also put it in the biggest range. So the biggest range here still is 98, so we will put processor number 2 here and plus 215 with 88, which is 303, and then we have to minus 98 minus 88 is 10. So we go to the next processor number, which is processor number 3, and we have to look for the biggest range. So now the biggest range here is 80. So 80, so we'll put here P3, and then 100 we have to plus with 24, so will be 124, and then the range we have to minus with 24, so 80 minus 24 is 56. Next we will look to processor number 4. Processor number 4, we have to look for the range which is biggest, 57. The biggest, we still can use 65. We will put P4 here, and then 355 minus plus 57 will be 412, and then we have to minus the range. 65 minus 57 will be 8, and then the next we will go to processor number 5. Processor number 5, we look which is the biggest range. So 56 is the biggest range, so we will put processor number 5 P5 here, and 124 we will plus with 124 we will plus the size kilobit 4, which is 128, and then we have to minus with 4, which is 52. Okay, after finish fill upping all the process number, for the empty ones we have to add on holes. That's all. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Chong Ming En, and now I'm going to introduce about the best fit, which is allocates the smallest block that is big enough. Based on the table, the P1, which is 15, it can be fit in all the range. So the smaller of the range, which is 50, so it must put it here, the P1. So 20 plus 15 is 35, and the 15 need to minus 15, so it will be 35. So the P2 is 88, and it can only fit at here, which is 113. So P2 put here, 200 plus 88 is 288, and 113 minus 88 is 22. So the P3 is 24. Among all of this range, the 25 is the smallest one, so the P3 need to put it here. So 288 plus 24 is 312, and the 25 need to minus 24, which is become 1. So the next one is P4, which is 57 in size in kilobytes. So the 57 we need to put at here, which is P4. So 355 plus 57 is 412, and the 65 need to minus 57, and it will become 8.
3.
So P5 is is 4 in size in kilobytes. So you need to put it here, which is 8 because among all of the 4 of range. So the P5 need to put it here. 412 plus 4 is 416, and 8 need to minus 4 become 4. Then the empty face we need to put the H, which is host. And that's all, thank you.